Welcome. This session is on using the source and power meter on the t-berd 2000. To get started, press the home hard key. Notice that there is a line that goes across the screen. Anything above the line is on the t-berd 2000 mainframe. It says t-berd 2000 on the left, and anything below the line is on the module itself. So in this case, the focus will be on the source, power meter, and OTDR being all on the same port. That is 3 tools on one port. However, that means only one tool can be used at the same time. If the power meter is on the mainframe, then that means the source could be used on the OTDR port with the mainframe power meter at the same time. Once again, many different configurations for the t-berd 2000. Click the source and power meter to make them yellow. That activates them, means they're available for use. Go to the results page, and in the results page, both the source and power meter are viewable. For the source, there's a source configuration soft key. Select that. The wavelength can be selected. Press that, and the wavelength changes. 1310, 1550, 1625, depending on the wavelengths on the module. And the mode, CW, is for continuous wave, constant late. And then there is frequency or tone or modulation, 270 Hertz, 330 Hertz, 1 kilohertz, 2K, and there is also auto. If a JDSU source is in the automatic mode, shooting to a JDSU power meter in the automatic mode, the power meter will change to the correct wavelength. Twin test shoots both 1310 and 1550 at the same time. So in this case, continuous wave 1550 is selected. Turn the laser on. A warning appears to show that laser is on. Now this is shooting continuous wave 1550 nanometer light. Turn the laser off. Exit. To use the power meter, select the power configuration. Once again, wavelengths can be selected. This is a single mode OTDR, and the power meter is on the OTDR port, so only single wavelengths are available for single mode. Note the question marks, that is automatic mode. If the power meter sees a JDSU automatic wavelength, it will change from question marks to the actual wavelength. So I have wavelength 1550 selected. I hit power configuration, and reference is grayed out. So if you want to reference jumpers, connected jumpers, turn on the source. So in this case, I have some jumpers connected to the OTDR port to a separate handheld source, and I turn on the source. So if we hit power reference, standard reference, once we hit that, it will reference out the jumpers. So the reference level is negative 6.5 dBm. The source is shooting at a negative 6. A couple of jumpers with a couple of connections. So a negative 6.5 dBm seems feasible and seems real, seems correct. There's also unit and measurement, watts, dBm, and dBs. If dBm is selected and the power reference is done, hit standard reference, it will automatically change to dBs and zero out the jumpers. So very easy to use a source and power meter on the OTDR port. The only trick is that there's 3 tools on one port, so only one tool can be used at a time.